Hello, hello, hello. I'm Dentist Fortune with 25 years of experience, and today I have my sidekick called Dino. So I'm going to use Dino to be able to show you how to brush. How do you know if it's time to change your toothbrush? So if you take your toothbrush and you try to do this, if it comes back to the normal position, then it means it's okay. But if you do this and it's still the same splayed, then it means it's time to change. In order to brush, you need a medium bristle toothbrush, and then you hold the toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees. That is between the gum and the tooth. And you do a roll technique, flick it up, roll technique, flick it up, roll technique, flick it up, roll technique, flick it up. For the top, you do the same thing. Roll technique, flick it down, roll technique, flick it down, and then brush all the surfaces. And do also brush your tongue. It's very important to brush your tongue because if you don't brush your tongue, it leads to bad breath. Thank you and see you in the next video.